Hello, welcome to ClueRally. I'm going to show you exactly how to build and launch your own scavenger hunt in just a few minutes. Whether you're running a team building event, a birthday party, or a community adventure, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to go. Let's dive in. From the ClueRally homepage, enter your host access code if you have one, or click host free to get started. This brings you to your host dashboard. Any hunts you have created will show up here. To start a new hunt, click Create New Hunt. This is your hunt setup page. Let's walk through it. First, you give your hunt a name. Description and photo are optional for additional details about your hunt. Now let's choose the hunt duration. This is the amount of time the players have to finish your hunt. Under map setup, you can choose to build a map while you build the hunt, or if you want to distribute your own map, you can skip map. Photo and video approval can be set to auto trust or manual review. Now let's open advanced settings. This is where the magic happens. By default, scatter start is selected. This will scatter teams at the start of the event to ensure they are spread out during the hunt. If you check sequential mode, they must complete a section before they can move to the section after it. Team settings. By default, a single device per team is selected. This means only one player per team can answer questions. Other players can work as navigators. If you uncheck this, multiple players can answer questions on the same team. Below that is default scoring. Attempts per clue is set to 2 by default. You can change to 1 or 3 if you like. A wrong answer penalty at 25 points is default. The default hint cost, 50 points. Range for partial credit, 70% if you don't get on your first try. Spelling tolerance at 70% allows for slight misspellings while still giving the team credit for the answer. When you're ready, click Save and Continue. If you selected Build Map, you'll land on the Map Setup page. Type in your hunt location. Once you see your hunt location, center the map where you want it and click. Now it will ask you to pin your start location. You can use your current location, pin the start to the map, or choose not map base for the start. Let's pin it to the map. Once you pin the start, it will ask you the same for the finish. Use your current location, which will use your current location by GPS, or you can pin on map. Once you've finished pinning your start and finish, you'll see the section button flash. Now you're ready to start building sections. This is where your hunt comes to life. Enter your first section name. Think of it as a stop on the journey. Now you're adding clues to the section. You have options: text clue, number clue, a multiple choice answer, or if you click over to challenges, you have photo and video challenges. We recommend 5 to 10 clues per section. When you're done adding clues, click Section Complete. It will now ask you if you want to use your location or pin this section to the hunt map. I'm going to choose Pin to Map and click on that West Boardwalk. It will now ask you if you want to add another section or launch the hunt. When all your sections are added and you're ready, click Launch Hunt. This is your Hunt Command Center. You'll see 3 ways to share the hunt with players: the 5-digit code, the direct link, or they can scan the QR code. You'll also see the leaderboard that shows players as they sign up for the hunt, and the Navigator QR code and access code. This is for players who want to help their team navigate but won't be answering questions. Once everybody has joined, click Start the Hunt. You can add time or end the hunt early if everyone completes before the end. When the hunt is ended, you will see the leaderboard with all the scores. If you set the photos and videos to manually approve, you will also see those on this page. Click View Results. The results page is also visible to hunters and navigators, where they can also share the results. That's it. You just built a scavenger hunt with ClueRally. Now get out there and make some memories.